once again, still here with you. Chinese, Chinese, Chinese. What do we want to do now? We want to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on and so forth. But where do we start? We start at 0. All numbers in Chinese. Let's hear what we have. So how do you say 0 in Chinese? How? Listen to this.
0
Oh, that's easy. Ling. Now, Ling in the Luo or in Luo language would actually mean keep quiet. But in Chinese, it means 0. You see, when you keep quiet, we are saying, say nothing, say 0. 0. Ling.
0
How then do you say 1?
1
Wow. E. That is Y-I. Yi.
1
So we have Ling and Yi. What about 2?
2
Just like R. We are R. That is 2. 3. But before 3, let's repeat this.
2
Okay. Now let's try 3.
3
Sen. So let's start from 1. Li. Then what was 2? And after 2 we had R for 2. And then 3 is Sen.
3
Okay. 4.
4
S-I. With the I almost silent.
4
Okay. Now we want to do 5.
5
Woo. Just like a dog. Woo. Woo. That's 5.
5
Then we had 6. 6 would actually go Liu. Liu.
7
See, that is 7. See, 7.
7
8 goes like this.
8
Pa. But it is not pa with a P, it's pa with a B. But they read it as pa. Pa. Just like some people say papa for baba.
8
What about 9?
9
Jiao. Jiao. That is J-I-U. Jiao.
9
Then 10.
10
Shi. Again.
10
So I want us to go back and start from 0 to 10 without repeating. So 0 would be,
0
then 1 would be,
1
then 2 would be,
2
3 is,
3
4 is,
4
5 goes like this,
5
6. Oh, 6 had a problem. So this lady is not talking about 6, but 6 would sound something like Liu. Liu. Any Chinese there to correct me if I'm wrong. and then 7,
七
8,
七
that is still 7, 8,
八
9,
九
and 10,
十
she. So let's now go to 11, 11 and C.
十一
11, 12,
十二
oh, let me take you back to 10. There's something I want you to see.
十
She, and then listen to 11.
十一
She, and then let me also take you back to 1. There's something interesting.
一
So if you just hear that, 1 is yi, and 10 is shu. 10, let's see, 10 is
十
shu, so 10 is shu, and 1 is yi, so 11 is shu yi,
十一
and then 12 is,
十二
and remember 2 was so shu 12 is
十三
shu sen, and sen actually was 3. So this means that in China, 1 to 9 can form 10 to 19 by you just prefixing sh for 10. So 10 plus 1, sh, and so on and so forth. So 10 is sh,
十
11 is
十一
yi is 1,
十二
is 2,
十三
san is 3,
十四
so is 4.
二十四
Oh, sorry, we've gone a little ahead of time.
十四
14, so is 4.
十五
Shu wu was 5, shu is 10.
十六
Shu leo is 6. Remember what I said, the lady did not speak leo.
十七
Shu C, and that C is a Q, that is 7.
十八
Shu ba is 18, the ba part is actually 8. Shu is 10.
十九
Shu jiao is 19, is 9. Shu is 10, 10 plus 9. So we are through with the groups of 10 to 20. Let's now go past 20 and see. I mean from 20 onwards. So 20.
二十
She. Remember, is 2. She is 10. So 20, you write 2 first, and then times 10 times 10. This gives me a prediction that 21 might be R yi. Yi was 1. Let's find out. R yi.
二十一
Oh, R shi yi. So that is R, that is 2. She is 10, so 2 times 10, and then yi is 1. So I think the other numbers are going to be R, then times 10, she will be in the middle, and then the 1 to 9 follow. Let's go.
二十二
R shi that is 22. 2 times 10, 10 is she, and then R 2, 22. Interesting.
23
23. R means 2, sh means 10, that is 2 times 10, and san means 3. So 23.
24
24. R is 2, sh is 10, that is 20, and then s 4.
25
25. Remember when we said woo, 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 that's 5. Then sh is 10 and r is 2, so 25.
26
R sh Leo. Leo was 6 and sh is 10 and r is 2. So 2 times 10 plus 2, that is r sh Leo.
27
R sh C 27. C is 7. R is 2. Sh is 10. 27.
28
R shiba, umeshiba, umeshiba, umejaza. Now R is 2, sh is 10, and ba is 8. So 28.
29
R shizio. Now R is 2, sh in the middle means times 10, and then you add zio, which means 9, 29.
30
Oh yes, we have gotten to 30. Now 30, sun meant actually 3. Sh is 10. So 3 first, then sh. So 3 times 10, 30.
40
So s is 4. Sh is 10, that is 40.
50
Woo, sh, woo, remember woo is woo, 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 the doggy thing. So that's 5. 5 and 10, 50.
60
Liu shi, Liu is actually, Liu is 6. Sh is 10, 60. Right?
70
Zi is actually 7. And I said Z is actually QI, not Z, not X or whatever else you might think. So it's QI, Z, she. So that is 17 because she is 10 and that she is actually SHI, not SHE. Otherwise you'll be saying she.
80
Ba shi, ba means 8. Shi 10, 80.
90
Tio means 9. Shi 10, 90.
100
Now, this is a bit tricky. Yi means 1. And then bai means 100. Bai 100. Bai 100. Remember bai 100.
1000
Yi jian, that is 1,000. Yi is 1. Jian 1,000. So 1,001 would be yi jian yi.
10000
Yi 1 is 10,000. Yi 1, 10,000.
10,000
She 1, that is 100,000. She 1, 100,000. Actually, When I look at this, remember, she is 10 and 1 is 10,000. So 10 times 10,000. She 1.
100,000
Remember, buy was 100 if I'm not wrong. Or was it 1,000? Let's find out. Okay. 1 we have said is 100,000. And then buy is 100. So by 1 would be 100,000. Ye by 1 would be 1 million. 10 times 100 times that. Let's get back to 100,000 and see.
10,000
Oh, that was she 1. And this is
100,000
ye by 1. I think buy. What was buy back there? What was buy? Let's see. 1,000.
10,000
Ye 10. 10,000.
1,000
Ye 1. Oh, 10,000 is ye 1. Okay, let's come now to 1 million and see. Ye 1, 10,000. 10,000. Ye 1. 1 million.
100,000
Ye by 1. So we have 10,000 there. And then buy is 100. 1 million. Okay, that aside, we have talked about 1 all the way to 1 million. Of course, we've skipped others, but we do know what probably they would be by that construction.
第一
D means first. Yi is 1. D is now to put it in that particular aspect. First rather than 1.
第二
R means 2. D puts it in the perspective second, not 2. I hope you now know that the next number is D something. D something.
第三
Sun is 3.
第四
Se is 4.
第五
D Wu, Wu is 5. So D is D Wu means 5th, not 5.
第六
Liu is 6th. So D Liu means 6th rather than 6.
第七
D Zi, Zi is 7. So D Zi, 7th. Seventh Day Adventist. D Zi, Day Adventist. D Zi, Day Adventist.
第八
Ba is 8. So D Ba is 8th.
第九
D Jiu is 9th.
第十
Shi is 10. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of numbering. What we have realized is all these numbers, the foundation is 0 to 9. Most importantly, 1 to 9. If you know that 1 is Yi, and 2 is and 3 is Siu. Is it Siu? I think. And so on and so forth. When you get to 10, I mean 11, you will just, or 10 is Shi. So 11 is just Shi Yi, which means 10 add 1. Then Shi 12, 10 add 2, and so on and so forth. Now, let's just play some little game here. I want you to tell yourself what this number is.
一
And that,
三
and that.
二
If you said 1, 3, 2, Thank you so much. See me in the next video.